Here's how to easily create a split screen effect with two videos in CapCut PC. Start by importing both video clips into your project and dragging them onto the timeline, placing one clip on a track above the other. Select the video clip on the top track. In the preview window, click and drag this video to one side of the frame. Then, select the clip on the bottom track and position it on the opposite side to fill the remaining space. Now, with the top video clip still selected, go to the video mask. Click at Mask and choose the Split Mask from the list. A split line will appear over your video. We can rotate it. We can also click and drag this line to adjust the exact division point between your two clips. Your split screen effect, showing two videos playing side by side, is now complete.